Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this device. So before we get started, you'll need to grab a SIM ejector similar to this one, which comes provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now, once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom of the phone. Now here you can see we have two different insert areas, or what you might think are two different insert areas. The one that you're looking for is part of this cutout right here, the hole closer to the edge of the phone. So right here where the pin is holding. This right here between the SIM tray and the Type-C charging port is a microphone. Nothing happens if you poke it, but obviously it also won't get your tray out. So anyway, I'll just get the tray out. I'm gonna push the pin in, and you can see that the tray ejects enough for you to be able to grab it and pull it out fully. On the tray you have space for just a single SIM card, and you will place it with the chip side upwards, like so. Make sure it's clipped into place correctly. It should not be protruding from the tray at all, and it shouldn't be falling out of it if you flip it over. From there, pop it back into your device. And as you can see, that automatically is being read. So I do have a pin on my SIM card, so I need to confirm it to unlock it. And there we go. So that's all you need to do to get your card going. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.